Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane. Today we're going to be going into the Lollipop lilies area back there. I'm going to show you they're blooming really pretty right now, and if you've never grown these, they're really a nice addition to have in your garden. Let's get going. My Lollipop lilies are blooming on June 19th. Just take a look at those. These are one of the prettiest things I have here. Come back every year, no problems, never have an issue with them coming back. But look at those. I want to get a closeness of them and so you can see how neat they are. Here's the buds. Some are getting just close to opening. Now these probably get a little taller, a little stretching a little bit more here because I got them in an area where they just get the afternoon sun pretty much, a little overhead sun afternoon to later day. So they might be stretching here just a little bit. It's always going to lift some and move them, which I may do, and put them in a more sunny location, more sun throughout the day, and I think they might not get quite as tall. I ended up having to put them wire cages around them, which helps stake them, helps hold them up. But these guys can tolerate the sun. I want to make sure to get some moved. But aren't they adorable? As always, the lilies never bloom long enough for me. But when they do, they put on quite a show. Got to capture them before they're done. Pictures say 1,000 words, don't they? Look at that. We're at a couple days later, more blooms. Really pretty, aren't they? Going to catch the moment because it won't be long, and if we get a rain or a wind or hail, these will be gone. So I wanted to show you everyone. What do you think of these beauties? They could probably do with a little more sun back here because they are stretching. They're taller than normally, but they still bloom pretty nice. They get some afternoon sun here. A little bit of morning. Very vibrant, very pretty.